Actually.
अरे come on, we are very happy. In fact, today's topic is not only about, ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ we'll be only talking about material या ये particular course करने से आपको क्या क्या benefits होंगे. We're going to talk about those. We're talking about things जिसमें लोग एक particular course को choose कैसे करें, वो important है. And I'm so happy to see Shivam Bollyfitex का t-shirt. You rock. Come on the screen. Thank you so much. ये सिर्फ अभी के लिए किया गया है या ये ऐसे ही रहता है? But it's really nice, very nice. So happy, very good. हाँ, अभी असली शिवम दिख रहा है मुझे. But I think I think everybody should have a pen and paper. बहुत notepad का जरूरत नहीं है, but one sheet of paper. या आप अपने अगर आप हाँ perfect अगर आप कहीं system के पास है तो you can take down few points. They'll help you. Because today we have a wonderful speaker and I think जो उनकी knowledge है, जो उनकी qualification है, उसके base पर आप लोगों को काफी real time information मिलने वाली है. It isn't about जैसे हम लोग general casual talk करते हैं, वैसा नहीं है. So this person has been practicing giving out plans, and she is virtually running her own diet clinic as well, and then in support with GFA also. That is also happening. So I think somewhere आप लोगों को ये पता चलेगा कि ये जो हम topic के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं, how will that actually help you if you want to enroll into a course, or if you already into this, आप अपने आप को improve कैसे कर सकते हो, right? Because ऐसा नहीं है that you have to do a course. Course करेंगे आपके लिए better है. But अगर आपने already कहीं से course किया हुआ है और आपको ये वो एक X factor को miss कर रहे हो, that will also be a good benefit for you. Yeah, so मेरी तो बातें चलती रहेंगी. We are having more and more people joining in, so अभी भी time है, तो वीडियो ऑफ करते हैं, थोड़ा इंटरनेट सेव करते हैं, एनर्जी सेव करते हैं और फिर वापस आते हैं 2-3 मिनट के बाद. ठीक है? थैंक यू. Hi Kinjal, how are you? Very good to have you. And we have Rajnikant Jadhav. मुझे आपको बताना पड़ेगा कि कौन कौन है, बिकॉज हमारे पास एज पर द नेम थोड़ा सा मैचिंग करेंगे. So Akash is here, Kinjal is here, Shivam is here. Who is joined us by Rajnikant Jadhav? आप स्क्रीन पर आइए प्लीज. हाय रजनीकांत यादव, आप आपने राज के नाम से हमारे साथ साइन अप करा था. हाँ जी.
यस मैम.
परफेक्ट. आई एम सो सॉरी, मुझे आपका कंप्लीट नेम नहीं पता था. सो इनफैक्ट आप लोग ये भी करेंगे. यू ऑल हैव टू डू मी अ फेवर. आप सब लोगों के जो नेम्स आपको अपने सर्टिफिकेट पे चाहिए, आप लोग वो सारे लोग अपने अपने नेम्स मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में व्हेन वी आर एंडिंग द सेशन आप जरूर लिख के देंगे. ठीक है? नहीं तो आप मुझे पर्सनली व्हाट्सएप भी कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट एनी स्पेलिंग एरर्स, राइट? एंड आप लोग इकट्ठा भी भेज सकते हैं एज यू आर कंफर्टेबल. इफ यू आर ओके राइटिंग इट ऑन द चैट, then I'm okay, no problem. Either ways आप बस किसी तरीके से कम्युनिकेट कर दीजिएगा कि आप अपना नेम कैसे स्पेल कराना चाहते हैं. Very good.
Hello Neha, how are you?
Hi Janvi, how are you?
I'm good.
Good to see you, bhai. What time baad? It's so nice. I'm so happy to see some familiar faces. I'm so happy Akash has also joined us. Kitne time baad? I think we are catching up. So this is really good. We've seen him in other sessions, but then it's amazing. Kinjal, आपका शायद ये पहला session है, and now more and more people are joining in. So fantastic. I hope everybody has a pen and paper handy. आप लोग pen paper रखिए. ये जो session होने वाला है, we are trying to keep this bilingual, हिंदी English दोनों में कोशिश करा जाएगा कि discussion किया जाए, ताकि some people are good with English, कुछ लोगों के लिए हिंदी कंफर्टेबल लैंग्वेज है, ज्यादा आसान लगता है. सो वी विल ट्राई टू बैलेंस इट विद बोथ. कहीं पर आपको कोई पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट, कोई पर्टिकुलर चीज नहीं समझ आ रही, प्लीज अनम्यूट करके बोलने मत लग जाइएगा, बिकॉज इट डज गेट वेरी डिफिकल्ट. ट्राई टू राइट इट इन द नोट्स. यहाँ पर हमारे पास में एक बहुत अच्छा चैट का ऑप्शन है. हम सारे लोग चैट से काफी फेमिलियर रहते हैं. तो सेम तरीका जैसे आप व्हाट्सएप पे चैटिंग करते हैं, बिल्कुल ऐसे ही जो लोग ये जूम ऐप पहली बार कर रहे हैं, तो यू गाइस कैन चैट फ्रॉम हियर. लाइक इफ आई वांट टू से हाय, सो आई विल जस्ट से हाय. आई थिंक आप सब लोगों के स्क्रीन पर एक एक अलर्ट आ गया होगा चैट के बॉक्स के ऊपर, एंड दैट इज वेयर यू कैन स्टार्ट मैसेजिंग बैक. ओके, सो डोंट स्टार्ट अनम्यूटिंग एंड टॉकिंग. इट डज गेट डिफिकल्ट. एक बात चल रही होती है तो वो फ्लो पैटर्न थोड़ा बिगड़ जाता है. And I will make sure that everybody is muted but the speaker. Yeah, so Vidisha just did the right thing. Hi Vidisha, it's a very, very nice day to have you. Lovely. And who else do we have here? Dr. Ruchir. How are you, Dr. Ruchir? कैसे हैं आप? अरे वाह, beautiful. Congratulations for winning. You won the fashion show. It's amazing. Such a surprise for everybody, but I think you had that spark the other day. So heartiest congratulations.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Coming all the way. Yeah. And who else is joined जिनसे मैंने hello नहीं बोला? So जानवी, तुम भी स्क्रीन पर आ जाओ. चलो. So we have Porter as well. Hi Shruti, how are you? We hope that you take us live. Hi Priyanka.
Absolutely, I'm all
Hi
set.
Ekta.
Hello ma'am, good afternoon ma'am.
Very good afternoon. सब लोग पेन पेपर रखिएगा. Hi Reena, how are you?
Hi Neha.
Good. Please पेन पेपर handy रखिए सब लोग. And रंजू शर्मा, ये I don't have this name. मुझे प्लीज आप बताएंगे कि आपने किस नेम से ज्वाइनिंग किया था? अच्छा, ओके, तुम्हारा नेम गायत्री. हाँ, हाय गायत्री, how are you?
Hi ma'am. How are you ma'am?
Good. So we have this is so nice. The screen is getting all filled up. It's amazing. Although there are more people, बहुत लोग हैं जिन्होंने अभी join करना है. We'll be just starting. Meanwhile, hi Mansi, how are you? Hope things are very, very well. We will all try to keep ourselves mute, especially जब हम लोग का session start हो जाएगा. ठीक है? We will try. और हम लोग एक chat box जो नीचे अभी जैसे अभी विदिशा ने बहुत अच्छा सा एक hello everyone मैसेज भेजा है. आप अगर देखेंगे तो अगर आप everyone को select करते हैं तो उसके अंदर एक blink करने लग जाता है. It gets highlighted and we would expect everybody to start chatting on that. We will make sure कि हम लोग unmute नहीं करें और disturb नहीं करें flow को. Yes, there is a separate section all together जिसमें आप लोगों के questions पूछे जाएंगे. So please note them down. Just notepad में आप कहीं पे notes ले रहे होंगे या किसी और device पे ले रहे होंगे. Please make sure कि आप उसमें अपने questions भी pen down करते जाइए. We will give you an opportunity where we would ask you your questions. Okay. So I think so that the flow is not broken and we would want everybody to continue with their daily routine. We don't want that आपका time भी बढ़ता जाए. वो भी ठीक नहीं है. So it's wonderful. The screen is getting filled and filled. So this is amazing. Where is my list? I have still more people expected. I think बीच में join करेंगे. We'll wait for another 2-3 minutes and then we will begin. We have ma'am with us. Hi ma'am, how are you?
Hello, good afternoon everyone.
Very good
Good afternoon
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
भैया इसमें डालो अपना feel आएगा.
Good
Ma'am,
afternoon.
let's wait for some more people. ठीक है? I hope that's okay.
Yeah, sure.
Perfect.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. Rajesh. Good afternoon, Rajesh. Nice to have you. I'm so sorry, मैं आपका name राजेश से save किया हुआ था. So I think I would humbly request everybody कि क्योंकि आप समझ सकते हैं कि हम लोग आपके names जैसे saved होते हैं वैसे ही बातचीत करते हैं. तो आप लोग को जो भी name जिस तरीके का भी spelling आप use करते हैं आपके certificate पे चाहिए. Please make sure that you are dropping that message in the chat box today before you leave. Okay. And please make sure that you attend the full session. जो half session करके जाएंगे तो obviously that's not fair. Okay. And अगर आप यहाँ पे chat पे नहीं लिख पा रहे हैं because of whatever reason, please feel free to send me your name on my WhatsApp message. आप सबके पास मेरा number handy है. Okay. Hi Nilufar, how are you?
Hello ma'am,
I'm
good
trying
ma'am.
to repeat. I'm trying to repeat. Please make sure that everybody has a pen and paper handy. Yeah. And we're really expecting you to, put up some great questions. We have a wonderful topic for today. आज की वर्कशॉप एक बहुत ही experienced faculty member हमारे साथ में जो है वो लेने वाली है. She is quite an expert and she is practically, undergoing some amazing time with clients, and she's got some great feedback. So I am really looking forward for this entire session. I hope you all are too.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Okay, I think we still have some people awaited. Chaliye, we have Akash, we have Raj, Kinjal is here, Janvi is here, Gayatri is here, Nafisa isn't here, right? Okay, we'll be getting more and more people. Perfect. Then we have Priyanka has joined us. Do we have Muneen here? Naina? Okay, Dr. Murgesh is also joining in. Perfect. Shweta has also joined in. Welcome, Shweta. Vidisha, can you please check with Pallavi if I'm missing her?
Yeah, sure. I'll just call her.
Thank you. And even Richa, please, if I'm missing her too. I think so. We have Mansi. We have both the Mansis, I guess. Hi, Mansi. Hi, Mansi Upani. We have both the Mansis here. That is so good. Then we have Shivam and we do have Vinay. So a couple of more minutes. थोड़ा सा पेशेंस आप लोग रखिए. We'll quickly start. Everybody, अभी आप लोग सब लोग वीडियो ऑफ पर है. जब हम लोग वीडियो ऑन करेंगे, and obviously we would really expect everybody to be on the video so that we can also, the speaker can also feel that आप लोग interaction करना चाह रहे हैं. Otherwise it's like जैसे मैंने अभी ऑफ किया हुआ है. I know it's very weird कि आवाज आ रही है बस. So but then I'm just trying to save some internet so that when the main session starts you can focus. Please make sure whenever you are on the screen आप लोग थोड़े से background का, थोड़ा सा lighting का, background noises तो हम mute all करके खत्म कर देते हैं frankly, but when you're sitting in front of the screen आपको थोड़ा सा देखना चाहिए because in a way that we are coming across to you, whether you are in your office like Akash told me that he is at work, but then and I, because he's the only one wearing mask, and now I see Dr. Murgesh also wearing a mask. So sir, it's amazing to have you that you are at your workplace, लेकिन बाकी लोग जो लोग घर पर हैं, please make sure that you are ethically dressed up. The camera is pointing right at your face, not anywhere else. I hope you understand. And just see those are the basic codes, because आप खुद भी देख सकते हैं अपने आप को screen पर, right? So please make sure that you are being the focus, not anything else, because there are a lot of people who do get distracted, right? ठीक है, so इससे आगे detail में we are not going to talk because we are all adults here. But थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखेंगे जब हम screen पर हैं, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि मुझे आप लोगों को वेटिंग रूम में डालना पड़े. That shouldn't be there. Yeah. Thank you so much. Great. So I think we have almost everybody. Couple of people are still waited. कोई बात नहीं. They should join because I think many people have joined us on time. So without delaying, ma'am, if I have your permission, we can just begin. Okay, perfect. And मेरी आवाज सबको clearly आ रही है अभी? Thumbs up would do.
Yes.
So that's really nice. First of all, a very warm welcome. It's amazing to see everybody here, and we're really excited for this workshop. इस workshop का agenda और कुछ जो questions थे जो आप सब लोगों के साथ में कुछ share हुए थे, हम लोग exactly उसी flow में चलेंगे. And I'm going to share my screen. I would really expect everybody to go on mute by themselves. अपने आप लोग mute पे जाइए, and thumbs up would do. So this can do, and otherwise this reaction can also do. ठीक है, चलेगा. So let's see if you can see my screen here. Can everybody see the screen? Because मैं आप सब लोगों को clearly नहीं देख पाऊंगी. So बताइए. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
Visible.
Very well. Very
clear.
Very good. Very good. So yes, Go Fitness Academy presents workshop on diet and nutrition. And I think इसके ये एक ऐसा topic है जो I think this is common for everybody, whether a person even comes from fitness background or not. I think still लोगों के लिए ये एक जो topic है ये बहुत ही खास है, बहुत close है उनके लिए, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं उनके जो results है, चाहे वो फिटनेस में बहुत एक्टिव है, चाहे एवरेज एथलीट है, चाहे बिल्कुल स्टार्टअप में है, एक बिल्कुल सेडेंटरी लाइफस्टाइल भी लीड करते हैं, उनके लिए भी for those people also who are not that active, everybody are kind of concentrating on food, what they're eating, diets these days. So I think for any age group, whether they are elderly, बड़े लोग हो, चाहे middle age, चाहे बच्चे हो, everybody is now these days nowadays are very focused and looking forward for something into diet and nutrition. That guidance is really required. So I think before we really go into, I'll introduce you to the speaker of the day. Let me tell you about GFA, and there are a couple of adapts. So जिन लोगों ने हमसे कुछ टाइम पहले हमारे साथ ऑनलाइन आए थे, उनको कुछ एडअप दिखने वाले हैं, and I'm sure people are following us. But then I'm so happy. Okay, am I audible to everybody? मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope everybody am audible, right? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. I'm gonna go slow. मेरा rate of speech थोड़ा fast हो जाता है जब मैं especially English में बात करती हूँ, तो मुझे बता दीजिएगा आप लोग. Don't mind. Okay. Just a second. Okay, ma'am. Okay. So when what it says right here on the screen, everybody knows this, that Go Fitness Academy is a leading name in fitness education in India for 20 years. काफी साल हो चुके हैं इस ब्रांड को चलते हुए, और अब आप लोगों के वजह से एंड आप लोगों तक भी हम पहुंच रहे हैं, तो वी really happy about this, especially because it is founded by a lady who believes in empowerment, lady who's here with us. We are blessed to have her as our master trainer, as our guide. She is the founder. Her name is Payal Madan Arora. We very dearly call her ma'am, who has over 40 group fitness certifications and has trained more than 9,000 students. Now, basically, her goal is to transform the fitness professionals into health professionals. शायद ये टॉपिक जिसके बारे में हम बात करने वाले हैं, ये बहुत अच्छी तरह से आज उनके गोल को कहीं ना कहीं on that path लेके जाएगा. And the standards have been set higher, this is really new for everybody, with a new partnership with UCAM, which is the University of Sports, basically in Spain, Europe. It is the best sports university in Europe. You get options ranging from degree in fitness, diploma in Power Moves Aerobics, diploma in personal training, trainer certifications in functional training, antenatal and postnatal, FlexiFit Pilates, and many more such certifications. Now, in addition, we also have some huge range of courses like dietetics and nutrition course or certificates, kids fitness trainer course, and injury and rehab workshops. और उसके साथ साथ में हम आपके साथ में we go live with you, we do a lot of workshops with you. So ऐसी चीजें यहाँ पर चलती रहती हैं, where I'm so happy to see so many lovely faces. लोगों को हम लोग invite भी करते हैं. But then I think before I go talking, this is a very wonderful message from ma'am. And ma'am, I'm going to take the opportunity. Sorry, मैं आपको बिल्कुल भी mic नहीं देने वाली हूँ बोलने के लिए, but I am going to say it on your behalf, especially because I am so happy to say that she has been acknowledged with Powerful Women Award 2021 for Best Women Entrepreneur. And I think that too in fitness industry, जो कि बहुत rare है. बहुत सारे लोग बहुत जगह पर acclaimed होते हैं, but I think this one especially is very close to me because मैं उसमें invited थी ma'am के साथ में. So it is wonderful, and the forum there was wonderful. Along with that, she has been given an Inspiration for Generations Award 2020 by NNHSA, and she has also won the Women Achievers Award on Women's Day last year and winner Master Trainer 2018. So ये जो awards हैं, ये बहुत prime awards हैं, बहुत respectful awards हैं, and I think she extend her help to clients including children, men, women, to find healthy perceptions for them and strengthen their minds and soul, so that they can be peaceful and stay fit. The idea of having all these forums, all these webinars and workshops is basically to achieve her goal. She's happy by doing all this, and she is an executive member Gym Association by Indian Gyms of Welfare Federation. So she's very active when it comes to transforming people's lifestyle, and we've very well seen it. Now, in addition, she has some wonderful topics and lectures that she has talked about, especially in expertise in special populations, specifically senior citizen workout. ये बहुत कम लोग इसमें expertise रखते हैं. As well as corrective exercise specialist, which is like a rehab trainer profile. Then FlexiFit Pilates, Power Moves Aerobics. I think this doesn't really need any introduction there. Special lectures in growth of group fitness in women, antenatal and postnatal, and uske saath saath how to handle stress in children. Why mental health is important in kids and teens? I think this is also very, very important. Growth of women, in fitness industry. And she is wonderful. I think as a person, she's wonderful. She's a great mother. She's a great wife. She's a great mentor to all of us. And she's author for the book Strong Soul and Musings of Mastermind. I think this, what she believes in, that, she believes in creating the new us or the new you, as what she wants to say, is exactly how we all have been learning from her and we all have been working around. So I think I am going to go ahead and, give an opportunity now to ma'am, if ma'am is okay, to say a few words, ma'am, if you can, even if you cannot come on the screen, but agar aap kuch zarur bole, to that will be amazing. Nahi to main to bolti jaungi pure time. So if it is okay, ma'am.
We have, so I just want to say that welcome everyone once again, and Neha ने already बहुत सारा introduction दे दिया है, तो मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगी. Please let's start with the workshop. Thank you.
Okay. Perfect, ma'am. So I think I can see Priyanka joining us. I can see Dr. Murugesh also joining us. Priyanka, are you there with us?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'm there.
Yes, wait a second. I have to see you on the screen, darling. Just a second.
Yes.
Okay, one second. So I think we have the speaker for the day, Priyanka. About Priyanka, I think she is herself practicing, the dietetics for a very long time. And she has been guiding a lot of people. And the best part is she's been... Is it that only I am listening to this? Priyanka, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Mute everybody.
The voice is going basically.
Okay, I'm going to mute everybody. Priyanka, आप unmute हो जाइएगा, ठीक है? Okay, so I think over to her, because she's the one who will be explaining and taking us through with the whole workshop. So I think, Priyanka, you can go about starting now. Welcome.
Okay. So hi everyone, and I'm really sorry that I logged out suddenly. And so hello everyone, my name is Priyanka. I am a dietitian by profession. I have been into this profession since 4.5 years, and I am a certified and a qualified dietitian through IGNOU University and also in affiliation with VLCC Institute. I have worked with many organizations like Kalra Hospital, like various slimming centers and various health apps. Okay, I cannot mention the names, yes, definitely. But yes, I have been working into this field for like more than 4.5 years. And I welcome all of you to this workshop. Thank you so much everyone for joining in. So, Neha ma'am, with your permission, Payal ma'am, with your permission, can I start?
Priyanka, your voice is not coming clear. It's like lot of echo.
Okay.
अभी ठीक है, प्रियंका अभी बोलो.
Ma'am, now is it fine? Is it fine, ma'am, now?
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Please begin.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So, as you all guys can see on your screens, that today the workshop is about nutrition and diet, right? So the basic topic is, the first topic which we'll talk about is, who is a dietitian? Like, can anybody tell me randomly anything which you guys think of, like who is a dietitian? Anybody? Any answers? Like random answers?
Diet, nutrition.
Yes. See, I want this session to be very interactive. I don't want that just I'm speaking and you all are listening. I want answers so that we can interact with each other and gain the maximum knowledge that we can, right? So yes, Eka, you rightly said that diet and nutrition. So basically, when जब हम सुनते हैं कि एक dietitian कौन होती है, तो हम ये सोचते हैं कि जो शायद पतला करती है. Sorry.
Hello,
Yes.
can you hear my voice? Can
Yes,
you talk
yes.
in English? Okay, I'm in Chennai. I don't know Hindi.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Hmm.
So basically, when we hear this word dietitian, we usually feel or think that a person or a lady or a man who helps us in losing weight, right? But do we know this thing? How she helps you, he or she helps you in losing the weight? What are the other responsibilities of a dietitian? Who basically is a dietitian? So today, first of all, we'll understand that who is a dietitian. Let's look at our screens. So the scope of dietetic practice is such that dietitian may work in a variety of settings and have a variety of work function. First of all, dietetic practice. Can anybody relate to this word dietetic practice? Anybody? Okay, so a dietitian practices the dietetic practice, okay, which means that a dietitian studies nutrition, food, and diet all together. That is called the practice basically. That may work in a variety of settings. Now, what about the variety of settings? Where it means that I may not only be working with only a hospital or a clinic. I may work with a variety of settings at one point of time. For example, I may work with a hospital. I may work in a clinic. I may work in a slimming center. I may own my own virtual clinic as well, like I do have one. Okay, so a dietitian is a person who practices dietetics and nutrition and about diet and food in a variety of settings, not just at one place or not just in one position. Is everyone clear with it? Okay, a thumbs up would do. Yeah, thank you. Now, coming to the next point, the dietitian applies the science of nutrition to the feeding and education of groups of people and individuals in health and disease. Now, this particular point talks about the study of dietitian. Okay, so what does a dietitian teach? Basically, a dietitian knows everything about nutrition, diet, food, as I just said. So she will club or he will club all the basic information that she has studied, taken the diploma courses, certified, educated enough. Now she'll club all the knowledge, all the information to help group of people and individuals in order to control their therapeutic conditions, in order to eliminate their therapeutic conditions and various other medical conditions naturally. Naturally means through diet, through healthy lifestyle, through understanding of nutrition and food. Am I clear? Am I clear? Okay, let's move ahead. Ma'am, next slide, please. Okay, now, what is the work of a dietitian? Now, I really want answers that are a little different. Anybody, please? What is the work of a dietitian?
Who has the proper knowledge of nutrition? Who knows, basically, who knows ki we generally don't give in a, something like ki do roti, teen roti. We prefer them on the gram, on the basis of our health condition, the age, and the like the other problem.
Right, rightly said. Anybody else?
Proper
May I?
nutrition to the person. Proper nutrition to the clients or patient, whatever the humans. Exact nutrition do prescribe.
Yes, correct. So
Proper quantity and कितना grams खाना है, कितना हमें morning में लेना है, कितना night में, कितना lunch. So all measurements
First of all,
they will tell.
we have to take
Yeah.
the BMI of a client. Then we can get the fat percentage of the client. Then we'll calculate the protein, carbs, and fibers ratio. Then we'll go.
Okay.
My point of view.
Correct. So let me explain now. Okay. Whatever answers I've got, they are pretty much correct. Okay. But I'll just, sum it up in a nice manner. Okay. Now, so here it is written, as you all can see, that a dietitian is a nutrition or a diet expert who works across all sectors where food and nutrition matter. First of all, there is not only one sector like the food industry which requires a nutrition, right? There are many sectors, as I rightly said. There are hospitals, there are diet clinics, there are slimming centers, everywhere a diet, even restaurants these days, right? Everywhere a dietitian is required, right? So a dietitian is an expert in diet, nutrition, food, where she is required wherever there is there is a matter of food and nutrition. So it's not only like that a dietitian is required in a certain area, in just clinics or in hospitals. She is required everywhere where there is a need for understanding of food and nutrition. Okay. Now, coming to the second point, works with all age groups, guiding health food choices in a preventative role, community health, active and healthy aging. Now, is there any limitation or any certain disadvantage of a dietitian? Anybody can answer this. Is there any limitation? Basically, is there any limitation to any age group? Like a dietitian can provide, diets to these age groups, and she cannot
No.
provide.
No.
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
No.
Yes, there are no certain such limitations. Why? Because a dietitian is an expert in nutrition. Nutrition कहते हैं ना, खाना हमारा बेसिक आहार है ना? तो इसकी knowledge देने के लिए या इसकी guidance देने के लिए, I don't think a dietitian needs any limitation on the age group. Okay, whether it's a kid, it's old people, it's basically the age group of 18 to 45, any person having any therapeutic condition, any medical condition, any other also, any allergies, any intolerances, everyone is welcomed for a dietitian, and the dietitian is there to provide all the knowledge to each and every age group. No discrimination on the basis of age group, gender, caste, religion, nothing. You being a dietitian, for example, if anybody wishes to enroll for a course and wishes to learn about the dietitian course, the first and foremost practice which you all have to follow is no discrimination on any basis. Okay. Now it also says community health, active and healthy aging. So as we all know that हम सबको एक दिन एज करना है, हमारी एज सबकी बढ़ रही है, राइट? हमें हेल्दी एजिंग क्यों बोलते हैं? क्यों ऐसा बोला जाता है कि अगर हम अच्छी डाइट फॉलो करेंगे तो हेल्दी एजिंग होती है?
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry for interrupting you. You can speak in English.
Yes, really sorry.
Sorry, I can't understand what you said previous.
All right.
Priyanka, I think I'd request you, what you can do, you can use both the languages. आप हिंदी में बोलिए, इंग्लिश में, but English में भी बोलिए, so you can speak in English as well. So
Okay.
I think Dr. Murgesh, don't interrupt her. She will say the same thing, whatever she's saying in Hindi, she will definitely repeat that in English, because there are some people who do not understand entirely English. So we'll try to keep it both. Okay.
Okay. Understood.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah. Priyanka, please carry on.
Thank you, ma'am. So here it is written active and healthy aging. हमने बहुत लोगों से सुना, we have heard from a lot of people that if you eat good food, if you eat nutritious food, your age will start reversing, right? You will have your aging a little late, like 5 years late, 10 years late, right? ऐसा बहुत कुछ हम सुनते हैं, बोला भी जाता है. What's the difference between healthy nutrition and unhealthy nutrition? क्यों इसको aging के साथ connect किया जाता है? For example, if all day I am having junk food, burgers, pizzas, everything in the age, from the age group of 18 to 40, I have eaten only burgers, chips, wafers and everything. And I don't wish to eat fruits more, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, more of green leafy vegetables, more of water intake, and I don't wish to do that. There's this one side, and then there's the other side where I wish to take a lot of fruits, green leafy vegetables. I eat my portions right. I take the quantities in a right manner. So which one do you think will have a more weight? The second option, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So in order to understand how can we go for healthy aging, you have to opt for the second option. Okay, I never say don't take your cheat meals. I never recommend that. But having cheat meals on a regular basis is not going to leave you to active and healthy aging. So that is why nutrition and aging are connected to each other. Am I clear?
Yes.
Everyone, thank you so much. Now, the next point here says is manage acute and chronic illness through modified nutrition. As we all know, now it's like 2021, right? Few years back, there used to be so many myths about dietitians. People used to think that they, give very less eating, बहुत कम खाने को देते हैं, और ये खाना पड़ता है, वो करना पड़ता है. There are so many things we have to prepare and everything, right? There are certain myths, अभी भी ऐसी myths हैं dietitians के बारे में, that खाने को बहुत कम मिलता है, ये बहुत कम होता है, हमें तो बहुत कुछ प्रिपेयर करना पड़ता है, right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
सुना? Yes.
Yes, yes.
Right. Correct. It's a very common thing जो मैं भी बहुत सालों से सुन रही हूँ, तो I thought let's just share it. So managing the acute and chronic illness. So with nutrition, with diet guidance and knowledge, what does a dietitian do? She not only helps you in losing weight or changing your lifestyle. If you have any therapeutic condition like thyroid, like diabetes, they can be easily cured with diet and lifestyle modification. Okay? Definitely somebody who's a diabetic, for example, somebody who's a diabetic, I never say stop taking your medications and just stop taking insulin and everything. No, but with healthy lifestyle, with healthy diet and nutrition, slowly and steadily, जहाँ पे आप 10 tablets खाते हो, वहाँ पे आप धीरे धीरे उनको 8 करोगे, उनको 6 करोगे, उनको 2 करोगे, और एक टाइम आएगा जब आप बिल्कुल आपकी मेडिसिन बंद हो जाएगी. Yes, guys, it is possible with healthy diet and following and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It is completely possible to manage your acute as well as chronic illnesses through diet and lifestyle modification. Now, can we move forward now? Now, requirements to be a dietitian. Now, this is a very common question which many people have in their mind, that हमें actually में क्या कितना पढ़ा होना चाहिए या कितनी हमारी क्वालिफिकेशन होनी चाहिए ताकि हम एक डाइटिशियन बन जाए. Clearly it is written, as you all can see on the screens, minimum 10+2 or graduate. If you are 10+2, आपने अभी अपनी like 12th complete करी है, completely okay, completely fine. You can pursue a good course of dietitian and nutrition, basically any diploma course, any degrees you can go for, completely agreed. Or if you are a graduate, that's even better. Either of the two options. Even if you're not a graduate, that does not mean that you cannot pursue any course which is related to dietetics, dietitian, and nutrition. But yes, if you are a graduate, that's even better. Now the next point is communication language. This is a very important question. I hope you guys understand what is communication. Right? Communication is how are we going to communicate with our clients. There are certain restrictions, or I can say in some cases there are certain language barriers, right? Some people think that we must know English in order to give somebody a diet plan, or in order to make contacts with clients, or in order to even learn about this course, right? It's not like that. You should know English, that is fine. Yes, English is a common platform language through which many of us we basically communicate. But then you also should know Hindi in order to communicate with your clients or your a language from wherever you belong. For example, ऐसा हमारे साथ होता है ना कि I'm just giving an example, just an example. For example, there are certain clients जिनके साथ हमें अगर पंजाबी आती है तो हम पंजाबी में उनके साथ थोड़ा बॉन्ड कर लेते हैं, या उनको शायद हमारी वो लैंग्वेज समझ नहीं आती है तो हम उनसे पंजाबी में बात कर लेते हैं, या हम किसी और लैंग्वेज में बात कर लेते हैं. That is completely fine. How you deal with your clients, how you communicate with your clients is completely up to you, whichever language a client is comfortable in. There should not be any restriction on English or Hindi or any other language. Yes, English is like a common language which is known to everyone, which is understood by everyone, and Hindi is also like that, right? So English is also important. Why? Because most of the courses which you guys will pursue in future, right, are in English only. So that is why the requirement is there. Otherwise, with your clients, you can talk in Hindi or any other language which you guys know, and from your area, from your city, that is completely fine. All okay, everyone? Any questions? Yeah, we'll take the questions in the end, right? Ma'am, please, we'll move on. Yeah. Now, roles and responsibilities. So as a dietitian, I not only provide with diet plans and make people lose weight. No, that's not the only job that I have. I am responsible for a lot of things. The position I'm sitting in is not just to charge some amount of money, give the diet plans, and that's it. No. In order to become a good dietitian who's known for her work and not just known by her name, a dietitian should be known by her work, by her skills, by her knowledge, not just by her name. Okay, this is a dietitian, she charges this much, that's it. No. Anybody who wishes to become a dietitian, first and foremost thing, guys, please, it's a request, always think, not from the point of view of money or any other thing. Just think that, yes, I am a responsible citizen. I am responsible for somebody's health. I am responsible for somebody's weight loss, weight gain, or maybe just maintaining the weight or any other criteria. I am responsible for that person. So if you take the responsibility on you, you would automatically think that ways. Okay? So let's understand what are the basic roles and responsibilities of a dietitian. The first point says flexible or flexibility. Somehow मैंने इस point के बारे में भी बात भी की है जहाँ मैं language की बात कर रही थी. So we should be flexible enough. As dietitians, we should be flexible enough to understand any language, to communicate in any language. Also, we should be flexible enough because of the working hours, right? These days, there are many dietitians who don't have their own clinics, right? They actually communicate with their clients on WhatsApp or video calls. They have clients across cities. I also have clients across cities. So I cannot go every time to their city. They cannot come to my city and communicate and take the diet plan and go, right? That would be a very big procedure, right? So what do? We connect mostly on WhatsApp or on video calls. So one thing, most important thing is that I have to be flexible about the timings. For example, if I'm calling my client at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, that person must be having lunch, right? That person must be having lunch, and that person might disconnect my video call saying that I'm not right now interested. Wait, I'm having my lunch, I'm in a meeting. So for us, it's important to be flexible in timings, in working hours, in language, in various sectors as well. We cannot, as a dietitian, I cannot make up my mind into one thing. Okay, I'm only going to work in hospitals. No, you may be required in some clinic as well. You may be required by your neighbors also in emergency. You may be required by your friends in emergency. So you have to be very flexible, right? You have to be flexible because you have this bunch of knowledge in your head. Why don't just use it and give it to other people and help them, right? So we have to be flexible because we are serving a society. We are serving our society. Okay. Next point is communication. Already it's been like discussed by me. I told it. अभी भी मैंने बोला कि communication जिस भी लैंग्वेज में आपको कंफर्टेबल है आप कीजिए, बट जो कॉमन लैंग्वेजेस होती हैं दे शुड बी नोन टू यू, because it becomes very easy to communicate with the clients. If you will have a restriction about the language that I cannot communicate in this language, I cannot communicate in this language, then that becomes a barrier in your career. Okay, so it's not that you cannot learn. If one wishes to learn any language, that is very easy, right? Coming to the next point, knowledge. Now, I hope you guys have heard of so many people giving you diet tips, nutrition tips. You know, I've searched and I've read somewhere, this should be done, that should be done. And have you also seen people listening to them and following it blindly? Yes, many people do. Why do they do this? One of the most important point, everybody wants free knowledge. Everybody thinks that just getting knowledge, तो अच्छा इन्होंने ऐसे बोला ऐसे कर लेते हैं, इन्होंने ये पढ़ा था, अरे यार उन्होंने करके देखा है तो डेफिनेटली कुछ तो असर होगा ना, राइट? यहाँ पे नॉलेज को मिस्टेक किया जाता है इस चीज से कि नॉलेज मतलब कोई भी नॉलेज. नो, द नॉलेज व्हिच इज गेन्ड बाय enrolling yourself into a qualified course, becoming a qualified dietitian, then having all the knowledge, and then you can serve the society. You can definitely provide everyone with that knowledge. You can help the society, but right knowledge is important. हमने कहीं से पढ़ लिया, कहीं से किसी को कुछ बोल दिया, no, never do that. First, learn about dietitian. Who is a dietitian? What does she do? What are the rules and responsibilities, as we are rightly studying here right now, right? So knowledge को गलत उसमें मत लेना कि knowledge means any knowledge. हमें कुछ भी knowledge है नहीं. You should study about it and then you should, spread the knowledge across. Now coming to the next point, leadership. Now this point is also very easily mistaken. Many people think that leadership means you have to lead, just like lead. No. If you are serving your society, you have to lead and become a very good example of who a dietitian should be, which includes communication with your clients, which includes direct connection with your clients. It's not that just you have given the diet chart, you have not even asked that person whether that person is following or not, is happy with the diet plan or not, right? A good leader is the one who knows about each and everything about his or her team. So leadership in a good way. You are leading a society. You are leading your clients. They are doing what you are saying. They don't know anything. They have not studied what you have studied. Correct? Right? A thumbs up would go. Yeah. Right? So you are the one who's guiding them, who's leading them. So if you are only going to provide wrong knowledge, they don't know whether they're getting the right knowledge or wrong knowledge, right? So it's our duty, it's my duty to become a leader and along with my team, along with my clients, because they are the ones who are going to, show me, okay, ऐसा भी होता है, मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि हाँ, as dietitians we keep learning. ऐसा नहीं है कि I'm a dietitian since 4 years, so मुझे अभी कुछ सीखने को नहीं मिल रहा है. I'm still learning. I have a variety of clients, variety of people I talk with, I deal with, right? So you should be prepared for that. A good leader is the one who's prepared for this as well. Okay. Coming to the next point, promote healthy lifestyle. See, there's one thing, diet. Then there's other thing, nutrition. And then there's another thing, lifestyle. The difference between three of them is that if you're a good dietitian, आप तीनों को साथ में लेके चलोगे. लेकिन अगर आपको प्रॉपर नॉलेज नहीं है तो आप डाइट को नहीं समझ पाओगे, न्यूट्रिशन को नहीं समझ पाओगे, लाइफस्टाइल को कैसे ट्रांसफॉर्म करना है इन दोनों की हेल्प से वो नहीं समझ पाओगे. सो एक डाइटिशियन की जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है which is promote healthy lifestyle with the help of right guidance, right counseling and providing right diet plan with healthy nutrition. That is how you are going to transform a complete lifestyle of an individual or a society. Okay. Coming to the next point, assess, promote, and protect the health of society. Now, how is this point related to the responsibility of a dietitian? Anybody? Anybody?
If
Please.
someone has a diabetes or someone have a heart problem, so we can care this and we can conclude and we calculate the carb, sugars, and all the things.
Yes, correct. Correct. So as that, thank you so much. So as dietitians, we are not just liable, to provide diets. We are actually responsible for the health of an individual. A person may have diabetes, a person may have thyroid, a person may have any other therapeutic condition. We have to take the responsibility of that person. Okay, so this person has come with this medical condition. Now I should know what needs to be done. As somebody just rightly said, you need to cut down the sugars, you need to cut down the carbs, you need to convert them into complex carbs. You need to make them aware of these things. Not just telling them, okay, aap ye kha lena, aap ye kha lena, aap ye kha lena. No. Educate your clients as well. Always. I always educate my clients that you have this medical condition, you know what is this? And I get amazing answers. Like I get answers which I've never heard of. So ऐसा भी होता है कि clients को नहीं पता होता कि actually में उन्हें है क्या. वो डॉक्टर को दिखाते हैं, वो दवाई खाते हैं, खत्म. You have to educate your client because you are protecting, promoting, and assessing their health as well. Coming to the next point, community nutrition. Now, community nutrition basically includes you as a health professional, a dietitian as a health professional. You are not just working for yourself, you are also working for the hospitals. You're also working for the clinics. So you are not just taking care of nutrition of 2-3 people. You are taking care of the nutrition of an overall community in which there is age group, in which there is religion, there is caste, and there is everything. So you have to be flexible enough to understand the needs and the requirements of each and every individual coming with whatsoever background they have. Again, I would say because you're not serving a single individual, you're serving a society. Am I clear? Is everything fine? Okay. Ma'am, can we move forward? Okay, so this is a very important point. Earning. There are various possibilities through which a dietitian can earn, right? लिखा हुआ है आप लोगों की screens पर. There are so many options: diet clinic, e-clinic, slimming centers, hospitals, restaurants, health applications, and collaborations. थोड़ा मैं सबको explain करूंगी. Diet clinic सबसे पहला scope जो हम mostly individuals plan करते हैं कि once they are qualified, they'll definitely open a clinic. It can be near your house. It can be a proper setup according to your budget, according to what you feel like. That मेरे को इतना क्लिनिक खोलना है, मुझे ऐसे खोलना है, अब मुझे इतने सालों का एक्सपीरियंस हो गया है, अब मैं क्लिनिक खोल सकती हूँ या खोल सकता हूँ, right? So there are certain requirements to open a diet clinic. You have to get registered first of all, बहुत जरूरी है. Secondly, आपकी certification एक ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म से होनी चाहिए या ऐसी एकेडमी से होनी चाहिए who is not just providing you with one option, they are providing you with many options, right? Certified होना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है in order to open a diet clinic. आप कैसा सेटअप खोलते हो that does not matter. Certification होनी सबसे important है, registration होनी सबसे ज्यादा important है. Now, diet clinic आप खोल सकते हो immediately after completing your course or after gaining experience. आपकी wish है, आपको लगता है कि आपने course कर लिया, now you are fully aware, you can open a clinic, you have a good clientage, go for it. If you feel like no, first I need to get into the industry, I need to get into the field, I need to understand what actually is a dietitian, because जो हम पढ़ते हैं और जब हम field में उतरते हैं, there is a lot of difference. There is a lot of difference. Okay, so the second option now says e-clinic. जैसे मेरा है virtual clinic across globe. आप वीडियो कॉल्स के थ्रू, व्हाट्सएप्स के थ्रू और बहुत और तरीकों से आप ई क्लिनिक को रन कर सकते हो। जैसे कि अभी लॉकडाउन हुआ था, हम सबको पता है, तो बहुत बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी बहुत लोगों को जिनके क्लिनिक्स खुले भी थे। सो व्हाट इज द अदर ऑप्शन? अगर ऐसी सिचुएशन दोबारा कभी ना आए, बट अगर आती है तो व्हाट इज द ऑप्शन अवेलेबल विद यू? वर्चुअल क्लिनिक. You have all the knowledge with you. You have all the guidance. You have your books. You have everything. You're a certified dietitian. What else do you need? Yes, you need direct communication with your clients. And with today's, technology, you can go for video calls, WhatsApp chats. You have to stay in touch with them. So this is how you open an e-clinic. You can make your complete website. You can have your official page, and then maybe you can start working. Okay. Next is slimming centers. So I would not take names of various slimming centers, but as we all know, there are various slimming centers who actually need a dietitian, because even if they are providing clients with various slimming techniques, which will not go in detail, but they still need a dietitian who will guide the client along with the slimming techniques, what that person should be eating or not eating. Without diet, even in slimming centers, a person cannot lose weight. So our dietitian is required there as well. Now coming to the next, hospitals. As we all know, right? Hospitals सबसे एक major platform है जहां पर आप as a dietitian work कर सकते हो. Why? क्यों? क्योंकि वहां पे तो सारा काम ही न्यूट्रिशन से चल रहा है. A person who has just come out of the heart center or the ICU, right? You will get to know that what kind of a diet that person needs. Okay? There are different types of diets which are given. In case of अगर मैं hospitals की बात करूं तो हर therapeutic condition के हिसाब से, हर patient के हिसाब से अलग diet बनाई जाती है. And then the hospitals, they work in a very different manner also. Okay. Now coming to restaurants, जैसा कि अब हम देख ही रहे हैं 2021 में और बहुत एक साल पहले से ही we are seeing कि डाइट रेस्टोरेंट्स खुल गए हैं बहुत सारे, जहां पर आपको ये क्लेम किया जाता है कि आपको डाइट वाले मल्टीग्रेन ब्रेड में ये मिलेगा, वो मिलेगा, सैंडविचेस मिलेंगे, ये सब है, हम देख रहे हैं, राइट? हमें भी पता है, हम देखते हैं ये सब होता है. तो वहां पे डाइटिशियन की क्या रिक्वायरमेंट हो सकती है? ये तो हमें पता है कि वहां डाइटिशियन की रिक्वायरमेंट है.
Calories counting.
What else? Yeah, calories is fine. That's good. What else?
Proportion.
Very good. Portion.
High protein diet. What are the high protein things which one person can eat?
Yes, rightly said, Dr. Ruchir. Customization.
Yes,
A person who owns a restaurant might provide you with a diet food, maybe a burger in a multigrain bun, or maybe a sandwich in a multigrain bread. How much do you need to eat? That person is not going to tell you. That only the dietitian can guide. That, okay, this person needs to eat 2200 calories because, he was 105 kgs. This person needs to have 1200 calories. This person needs to have 1500 calories. That cannot be done by any other but a dietitian. That is the job of a dietitian. How many tablespoons of peanut butter should be given if a person is on a high protein diet? What pre-workout meals should be given? What post-workout meals should be given? How the calories need to be balanced in case of a person who needs to become leaner? Because you are not going to only face people who want to lose weight. You might face people who want to become leaner. They want to even also you will deal with clients जो ये literally बोलेंगे आपको कि आप fat loss कराइए और weight gain करवाइए. At the same time, it also happens that you have to make that person gain weight in the right manner and also decrease the fat percentage according to the BMI. So that is the job of a dietitian that can only be done by a dietitian, not by the owner or the person who has this restaurant. Yes, if the dietitian herself has or himself has their own restaurants, then तो it's like सोने पे सुहागा, सबसे best है वो. दो बहुत ही rare combinations है वो. Okay, now collaborations. आजकल आप लोगों को पता है कि ब्लॉगर्स बहुत ऐसे सब लोग हो गए हैं जो अपने अपने चैनल्स हैं सबके यूट्यूब पे, दे हैव बिकम इन्फ्लुएंसर्स. इंस्टाग्राम पे जैसे हम देखते हैं कि बहुत इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं. You can collab with them. How? They are providing with diet knowledge, but they may not be qualified. They must have followed something or some other, and they must be telling their own experience. What if you can talk to them and tell them that, okay, collab with me, and I will give you the right guidance and I'll help you and we'll collab with each other. Right? You can do that. This is one of the latest options that has come. Earlier, it was like these vloggers and all, these things were not that much hyped, but अब ये चीजें बहुत important हो गई हैं, and it's important कि जो trend के साथ चल रहा है हमें उनके साथ ही चलना चाहिए. Correct? Am I correct? So yes, you can do that also. We see a lot of people on Instagram, they are influencers, they are doing such great workout, but they may not be aware of the dietitian, कि dietitian क्या होती है, वो कैसे मेरी help कर सकती है. You can also collaborate with fitness people, जो fitness influencers होते हैं, आप उनके साथ collab कर सकते हैं, because they may not be dietitians, they may not have any knowledge of nutrition. So if you collab with them, then it would be a perfect combination. Okay. And can we move forward? Okay, so this one is a very important question. How to make a mark? बहुत है ऐसे dietitians, right? I'm not the only one जो एक dietitian है शायद. जहाँ मैं stay करती हूँ मेरे area में शायद बहुत सारी dietitians होंगी, मेरी city में बहुत सारी dietitians होंगी. What difference are you going to make? How are you going to make a mark? कि पता लगना चाहिए कि you are a dietitian. How are you different from the market? Let's read it. Choosing the right platform to learn and grow from Grow Fitness Academy. So basically, सबसे important बात यह है कि आपको सबसे पहले एक right platform choose करने की जरूरत है. I have no shame in telling this that people are becoming dietitians without gaining any certification, any knowledge, and they are spreading information which is not right. They must have followed some random diet from somewhere, some portals, and then they must have seen some results because their body allowed it. They allowed on their body कि हमारे पे ये हो जाए, हम कर ले इसको follow, that is fine. But telling it to other people, telling them to follow the same is not good. If I am one person and for example, Dr. Ruchit is another person, his calories and my calories would completely be different. His goal is something else, my goal is something else. His basic requirements, basic measurements are completely different, mine are completely different. How can two people, whether male or female, follow the same diet plan? I have seen people following diets. For example, if one person in their family has consulted a dietitian, the whole family starts following it, thinking that ये तो healthy खा ही रही है तो हम भी खा ही लेते हैं. ऐसा नहीं होता है. So सबसे पहली बात, choosing the right platform, which is I don't think मुझे बताने की जरूरत है. Obviously, Go Fitness Academy, and now it's International Go Fitness Academy. So now, why we are different from the market? Why are we telling you to like आपको क्यों International Go Fitness Academy को choose करना चाहिए? सबसे पहला point, we have mentors assigned for any help. You need any guidance, you need any counseling on any course you need to learn, we have mentors available, right? Now, how are we different? Again, we help you build a network for your self-growth. We promote you in our various WhatsApp groups. We promote you everywhere on our social platforms, correct? So this way, you can grow on yourself. You can make more clientage, right? You can also, through us, you can also keep your workshops. You can also go for people. You can also talk to them individually. For example, if you connect with our network, there would be so many people who would come you and ask you, would come to you and they would ask you, okay, I need to understand the diet plan for this person. Can you please help me? That's how you connect with people. So IGFA helps you in all of this. Okay, and many more things. As we all know that IGFA has various courses, and we have mentors assigned for each and every course. Okay, so you can reach out anytime you feel like you have any queries, you have any questions. Now we will take it further. Ma'am, next. Yes. Now is the time that you guys can ask me questions, please.
I have a question.
I want to ask.
Yeah, my question is that for vegetarian people, what are the best sources of protein?
Okay. So, Dr. Ruchir, I guess ये बहुत ही कॉमन चीज है जो बहुत लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि हम वेजिटेरियन हैं तो हमारा प्रोटीन इनटेक तो बहुत ही लो है ना? So if I go into the detail, there are a lot of options, right? ये भी खा सकते हो, वो भी खा सकते हो, ये भी खा सकते हो, वो भी खा सकते हो. पहली बात तो ये मिथ को दूर करना बहुत जरूरी है कि वेजिटेरियन हो तो हाई प्रोटीन डाइट पे नहीं जा सकते. ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, so you can go for a variety of options, like you can go for cottage cheese, which is जिसको हम basically पनीर बोलते हैं, right? You can go for soya bean, right? अब हम क्या करते हैं, घर में बहुत तरीके की variety of चीजें बना सकते हैं इनसे. We can go for salads, we can go for paneer salads, right? We can go for tofu, we can go for soya bean. अब soya bean में you can make a sabzi also, you can go for other options also, right? So this is how you can balance it. Yes, next question.
I want to ask.
हमें
हमें clients का अगर जब हम diet plan करते हैं.
Let's go one by one, please.
Okay, may I, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am, आवाज थोड़ी सी like disconnect होके आ रही है.
Okay, go slow, and I think people can write it on the chat also. Priyanka, people have written questions on the chat also. आप उसमें भी देख सकते हैं. I think Mansi, आप पूछ लीजिए अपना question, then we'll move on to the other one.
Okay.
Priyanka दी, I just want to ask कि जब भी हम client का diet prepare करते हैं, तो we have to include their favorite food as well, or we have to skip that?
Mansi, your voice got disconnected. Can you please repeat your question again once?
Just a minute. अभी ठीक है? Voice आ रही है clear?
Yes, हाँ जी बताइए.
Okay, I just want to ask, जब हम prepare करते हैं किसी client का, तो हमें उनका favorite food include करना चाहिए या फिर उसको बिल्कुल ही eliminate कर देना चाहिए?
देखो, अगर आप उनके फेवरेट फूड को एलिमिनेट कर दोगे तो इवेंचुअली वो कुछ टाइम आपकी बातों को सुनेंगे, बट उसके बाद उनको ये लगेगा कि नहीं मुझे ये खाना है. ठीक है, कुछ देखो अब इसमें वैरायटी ऑफ क्लाइंट्स होते हैं मानसी. देयर वुड बी सम पीपल जो कहेंगे यस हम कंप्लीटली छोड़ देंगे, बट अगर मैं आपसे बात करूं कि आपको अगर किसी चीज को खाने की आदत है, क्या आप उसे एकदम से छोड़ सकते हो? नहीं छोड़ सकते, करेक्ट? आपको टाइम लगेगा उस चीज को छोड़ने में. सो दैट इज हाउ वी डील विद द क्लाइंट्स.
हम मिनिमाइज कर सकते हैं, लाइक
यस
मिनिमाइज कर सकते हैं डे बाय डे.
Slowly and steadily you can, but cutting down on the very first day or very first week is not a solution. You have to understand what that person needs and then accordingly act. Okay.
Okay, I have another question, please.
Yes.
Black coffee is like सब लोग लेते हैं. Is it good or bad? और हमें कब लेनी चाहिए? After the breakfast or empty stomach? I have a little bit confusion about this.
See, black coffee or anything, any particular thing which you guys are asking me about, इन सब की हमें पहले तो ये पता होना चाहिए कि ये है क्या चीज, ये बनी किससे है. Okay, so coffee contains caffeine, which we all know, right? In right quantities, it is fine.
Yeah.
But if you're overtaking it, increasing the quantities, it is a diuretic. It is only going to increase your problems. You'll, have more urination and various other problems, which I will not go into detail with right now. Okay. So taking the right quantity is fine.
Thank you.
Overtaking it is not right. You're welcome.
Okay.
So I have one question, Priyanka. So generally, see, being a trainer, generally हमारे सामने question raise होके आता है कि ma'am, what I really need to eat in my breakfast and dinner. And one more question, is it right कि हम dinner skip कर दें? See, सब बंदे एक staple diet पे होते हैं, so is it right कि हम dinner skip करा के उनका weight loss करा सकते हैं?
See, I don't practice this. I never recommend skipping dinners and I never practice this. Why? एक आप जिनकी भी बात कर रहे हैं, जो भी आपसे पूछते हैं, उन्होंने 7 o'clock कुछ खाया हुआ है, करेक्ट? उसके बाद अगले दिन वो सुबह आपके पास 9 बजे वर्कआउट करने के लिए आ रहे हैं. उनकी स्टमक के अंदर उसके बाद कुछ भी नहीं है. डू यू थिंक वो उस एफिशिएंसी के साथ, उस डेडिकेशन के साथ हमेशा के लिए वर्कआउट कर पाएंगे? 4 दिन में भी वो कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे उनको बहुत मोटिवेशन होगी कि हमने खाया नहीं है, हमने डिनर स्किप कर दिया तो हम तो जल्दी पत्ते हो जाएंगे. सी, दीज आर द टेक्निक्स जो एक्चुअली क्लाइंट्स को लगता है इससे फटाफट हमारा कुछ वेट लॉस हो जाए. नेवर डू दैट. Definitely the portion again has to be very less or according to the calories of that person. Whether it's breakfast, it's lunch or dinner or meals, it is according to one person's calories. So how can you just cut down all those calories which are decided for the dinner and just tell that person ki nahi mat khao? Eventually 4 days wo kar lenge, 5th day they won't be able to, and eventually उनकी तबीयत खराब हो जाएगी, which is not.
Okay, thank you.
Do we have any more questions, people? Because कुछ लोगों ने chat में भी लिखा हुआ है. विनय, I think has a question. विनय, आपका question है?
Yes, ma'am. मुझे कुछ पूछना है.
Please go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. कुछ clients होते हैं, मतलब मुझसे भी पूछते हैं कि अगर हम कुछ खा के आते हैं, तो हम क्या खा के और हम वर्कआउट करने से कितनी देर पहले खाएं और हम वर्कआउट के बाद कितनी देर बाद खाएं?
See, Vinay, यहीं पर you have to make a difference first by actually becoming a qualified dietitian, right? क्योंकि आप जो खाते हो, अगर आप उनको वही बता दोगे तो उन्हें लगेगा कि हाँ ठीक है 2 दिन हम ये खा लेंगे. पर अगर आपको नॉलेज होगी कि क्या वैरायटी ऑफ ऑप्शंस मैं अपने क्लाइंट को दे सकता हूँ कि ये प्री वर्कआउट में क्या खा के आए और पोस्ट वर्कआउट में क्या खा के आए, डोंट यू थिंक इट वुड बी बेटर, राइट? So these all questions कि clients को क्या खाना चाहिए, क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए, these all can be answered with only one solution, which is the course. But these details are provided in the course, each and everything. That is how you will learn how to become a dietitian, how to make a diet plan. क्योंकि मैं आपको भी बता दूंगी ना, उनको प्री वर्कआउट में आप ये खाने के लिए बोल दो, कब तक बताओगे कोई ऑप्शन? कभी ना कभी तो क्लाइंट भी बोलेंगे ना, सर हम बोर हो गए, हमें कुछ नया दे दो, राइट? आप खुद भी बोर हो जाते होगे, है ना, सेम चीज खाने से. आपको खुद भी वैरायटी चाहिए, ऐसे ही क्लाइंट्स को भी वैरायटी चाहिए.
Right.
I have a question for Priyanka. Yeah.
Yes.
I want to know, ये प्रोटीन वाला हो गया, जिसे डॉक्टर ने मना किया कि someone has a stone in gallbladder, तो वो प्रोटीन एंड कैल्शियम बिल्कुल मना कर दिया. And now what to take, मतलब दाल, घिया, तोरी, एंड इसके अलावा anything, पालक इज बंद, पनीर भी नहीं, एंड हाई प्रोटीन नथिंग, कुछ भी नहीं. तो अब ये कंटिन्यूटी में ये पालक, घिया, तोरी एंड और अदर क्या ऑप्शंस हैं हमारे पास जिसमें प्रोटीन नहीं हो?
ओके, सो आप अगर ये सबसे पहली बात तो जब हमें कोई मेडिकल कंडीशन होती है या कोई थेरेपेटिक कंडीशन होती है, अगर हमें कोई डॉक्टर बोलते हैं कि आपको ये नहीं लेना, उसके पीछे एक सर्टेन रीजन होता है। ओके, आई ऑलवेज से अगर मेरे पास कोई क्लाइंट आते हैं बोलते हैं हमें डाइट चार्ट चाहिए, मैं उनको वो प्रोवाइड करती हूँ। और अगर वो मुझसे ये पूछेंगे कि जो डॉक्टर की जॉब है वो आप मुझे करके दिखाओ, तो वो मैं नहीं करूंगी, राइट। अगर एक डॉक्टर ने आपको मना किया है कि आपको प्रोटीन का इंटेक नहीं करना, तो उसके पीछे एक रीजन है ना, करेक्ट। उन्होंने आपको इसका इंटेक करने के लिए मना किया। अब आप इवेंचुअली अभी आप घिया खा रहे हो, तोरी खा रहे हो, ये रंजना, दिस डजंट स्टे सेम फॉर कंप्लीट लाइफ कि यही खाते रहना है। पहले क्या होता है, आप सेमी लिक्विड पे आते हो, फिर आप थोड़ी सी सॉलिड डाइट पे आते हो, फिर आप प्रॉपर सॉलिड डाइट पे आते हो, फिर धीरे धीरे जब आपकी बॉडी अडेप्ट करना शुरू कर देती है कि आप घिया खाना शुरू कर दिया, तोरी खानी शुरू कर दी, धीरे धीरे करके हम अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्लाइंट कि उनकी बॉडी को क्या सूट कर रहा है, उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं हो रही है, दोबारा उनकी प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट तो नहीं हो रही है, धीरे धीरे हम सब कुछ डाइट में इंक्लूड करते हैं। लेकिन अगर डॉक्टर ने स्ट्रिक्टली मना किया है कि ये चीजें नहीं होंगी, तो as dietitians I never give them. I never cross question a doctor जिनको वो already दिखा रहे हैं. Never do that. Never cross question any other professional. अगर डॉक्टर ने किसी चीज के लिए मना किया है, तो obviously there has to be a reason, right? So जो आपकी क्वेरी है कि इसके अलावा हम क्या खा सकते हैं, again the same answer which I gave it to Vinay, that is something for which you need detailing.
Okay.
Right?
Right.
Yes.
Hi, Priyanka. I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Jitna, I know the industry is really growing after the pandemic, like the dietitian industry, because many people are like, moving towards a healthy diet because everybody has realized that health is very important. So what kind of growth can we expect? Like, because I've seen people literally earning 80,000 a month being a dietitian or something. So what kind of growth can we expect from after doing a certified course from Go Fitness?
Yes. Okay, I got it. So as we also, discussed and we also saw that हमारे पास बहुत सारे options हैं once we become a qualified dietitian. So अगर मैं अपने आप को लूं, तो मैं सिर्फ एक प्लेटफॉर्म में काम नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं अपना e-clinic भी रन कर रही हूँ. I am also linked with diet clinics. I am also linked with various other dietitians. So once you get into this industry, आपको बहुत सारी अवेयरनेस हो जाती है कि आप किन किन प्लेटफॉर्म्स के थ्रू अर्निंग कर सकते हो, ग्रो कर सकते हो, राइट? जो हमने शायद डिस्कस भी किए थे कि दीज आर द पॉइंटर्स, ये ऑप्शंस है, इनके थ्रू आप ग्रो कर सकते हो. अभी इस टाइम पे जो ये करियर, डाइटिशियन करियर है, इसमें ग्रोथ बहुत ज्यादा है, क्योंकि आजकल हर इंसान हेल्दी रहना चाहता है. और अब इतनी अवेयरनेस हो गई है कि सबको पता है कि कहीं से भी कुछ भी पढ़ के अगर हम कुछ भी फॉलो करेंगे, इवेंचुअली वो हमें रिजल्ट, अभी हमें रिजल्ट दे देगा इन द वेरी बिगनिंग, बट लेटर ऑन हमारी ग्रोथ वहीं रुक जाएगी, चाहे वो वेट लॉस हो, चाहे वो फैट लॉस हो, या कोई भी आपका एम, राइट? सो इफ यू choose the right platform to get certified and become a dietitian, definitely you will grow in the industry. Right?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, hi Priyanka, I have a question.
Yes.
प्रियंका, जो हमारा फील्ड है, फिटनेस का फील्ड है, उसमें मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल जो लेडीज हमारे पास आती हैं, उनको पीसीओडी की इश्यूज होते हैं, समटाइम्स उनको डायबिटीज के इश्यूज होते हैं. सो क्या इस जो डाइटिशियन का कोर्स है फ्रॉम गो फिटनेस एकेडमी, क्या इसमें हमें वो सारे मतलब हाउ कैन आई मेक द डाइट प्लान्स फॉर द पीसीओडी पेशेंट्स, तो वो सारे नॉलेज भी हमें मिलेंगे कि कैसे क्योर कर सकते हैं? हाँ.
Yes. So in this course, you will not just be, getting knowledge on how to make a diet plan for general topics like weight gain, weight loss, maintenance. No. In this course, you will be taught how to make a diet plan for a person who is diabetic, a girl who has PCOD or PCOS, they both are different, and
any other medical condition. So we'll start from the very basic. We'll first teach what is nutrition, what is diet. Then we'll, further move into what type of nutrition is this, what type of nutrition is that, what are carbohydrates, what are fats, what are proteins, right? हम usually बोलते थे इतने carbs खाने चाहिए, इतना ये खाना चाहिए. No, we should know what are carbohydrates, what are the various types of carbohydrates, how much should be given in a diet. Out of 100%, how much should be carbs, how much should be fat, how much should be protein. And also, you will also be learning about how to prepare a diet plan for any therapeutic condition, whether it is PCOS, PCOD, thyroid, diabetes, hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, and various other.
So we can make the diet plans for the patient.
Yes,
okay.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Perfect. We'll just take last two questions. So Raj also has a question. And I think he's been writing a couple of questions here as well. So please ask your question. Otherwise, we'll go to the question in the chat.
Excuse me. Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a doubt. Ma'am, is intermittent fasting is good for health? Intermittent fasting, because some of my clients are almost all of our ladies, those who are fasting for Mondays and for Thursdays, Fridays. It is because of gods. That's why भगवान के लिए रोजा होते हैं ना, इसीलिए is this good for health for them? Is there any side effects for while doing the workouts? कैसे मना करना है इसको, जो बता सकते हैं क्या?
Yes. So I would not comment on any type of diet like intermittent or may I say keto diet. I do practice them. मैं सिर्फ एक ही चीज follow करती हूँ. What I feel is from the day you are born, you are not told by anybody you should do intermittent or you should do any other diet. You have been eating food from the day you are born, right? You're eating in breakfast, you're eating in lunch, you're eating in dinner. Were you skipping meals? When you were growing up? No, nobody was, right? So these are certain trends / diets which are for a shorter duration. I never recommend them. I always feel that whatever you have been eating from your childhood, you can easily lose weight by just eating the normal food which is made in your kitchen. Yes, the changes are done according to individuals, but certain diets, they are followed for short duration, and eventually once any of your client chooses to just leave that type of diet, eventually all the weight will come back.
Okay.
These diets never provide long-term results. And one should focus on always giving long-term results, right?
Kinjal also has a question, I guess. Hanji Kinjal, please पूछिए. Kindly ask.
मैम, जो डॉक्टर रुचि ने बताया, तो प्रोटीन में क्या हम कर्ड वगैरह ऐड कर सकते हैं?
Yes, आप ले सकते हैं.
ओके मैम. और दूसरा ये जानना था कि अगर कई बार हमने सुना है कि बहुत लोग क्रश डाइट करते हैं और कार्बोहाइड्रेट को स्किप करते हैं, मतलब चावल है, गेहूं है, तो इज इट गुड फॉर परमानेंट डाइट, मतलब लाइफ लॉन्ग वो फॉलो कर सकते हैं?
Priyanka, were you able to hear the question? I think there's some network issue here. So
I think so. Her
what we
net is
can
gone.
do-
Ma'am,
Yeah. So I
doubt.
think meanwhile, yes,
Excuse me.
please.
मैम, पहले मैंने क्वेश्चन रेज किया, इनबॉक्स में देख लीजिए. व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ द न्यूट्रिशन एंड डाइटिशियन एंड डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन द न्यूट्रिशन एंड डाइटिशियन के लिए
Right.
क्वेश्चन रेज किया, अभी तक कुछ नहीं आया, इसीलिए.
हाँ, because we've not gone to the chats now. अभी कोई बात नहीं, अभी करेंगे इसको भी आंसर. Don't worry. Let Priyanka join back. Also, people whosoever missed out. So I think Akash has asked a question. And people whosoever has any question, please mention that in the chat box. We'll go one by one. And in case we are not able to answer it right now, we will be able to send you a message also.
Okay.
Okay? So because I know we are all running short of time, so we will send you a message. Priyanka, I think very quickly you can answer Kinjal's question if possible. And if there's a network issue, no problem. We have asked everybody to write that on the chat.
Ma'am, I was not able to hear Kinjal's question because of the network issue. The voice got disconnected. So yes.
Okay. Kinjal, please re-ask. And there is one more question in the chat box as well. So very quickly, let's now roll it up. Yeah. Kinjal, आप फिर से पूछ सकते हैं?
हाँ, मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है आपको?
Yes.
हाँ, मैंने ये पूछा कि कई लोग क्रश डाइट करते हैं, मतलब कार्ब को स्किप करते हैं, गेहूं, चावल, तो इज इट गुड फॉर परमानेंट, मतलब लाइफ लॉन्ग वो फॉलो करवा सकते हैं?
No, ma'am. No, not at all. A strict no. Yes, you cannot. See, that is what अभी मैंने ये बात बोली कि आप कैसे करवा सकते हो. आप बचपन से चावल खा रहे हो, रोटी खा रहे हो. For a shorter duration, कई लोगों को बहुत fast results चाहिए होते हैं, तो वो ये चीजें अपनाते हैं, करते हैं कि cut down कर देना. Yes, you can convert simple carbs into complex carbs by changing things in your diet, doing the modifications in the diet. But cutting down carbs for a longer duration is not going to give you anything. Eventually, results भी आने बंद हो जाते हैं. So yes, for the long run, these are not the techniques to be followed.
और उसकी जगह पे वो जौ, बाजरा वो सब लेते हैं, तो
that is fine. That is what I'm saying. You can do the modification from simple to complex. That you can do. That is being taught. That is being taught in these courses. That is what we'll be teaching in the course. How can you convert your simple carbs into complex carbs and various other things? This is just a small point, but there are a lot of things. Yes.
Perfect. So can we also go to the chat box very quickly? Priyanka, there is one question.
Ma'am, I'm not able to see the chat. Because
I'll read it out for you. It's okay. I'll read it out for you. So it says, what is the difference between nutritionist and a dietitian?
Yes.
Very quickly, very short and crisp, but we need
yes. Very good question. So mainly 3 points. Very easy. A dietitian is a person who is qualified, right? A nutritionist may not be qualified.
Why?
Okay. Did you get my voice?
फिर से बता दिए.
How can you say this not qualified, ma'am?
A dietitian has to be qualified. A person who claims to be a dietitian needs to be qualified.
Okay.
And a nutritionist on the other hand, आप लोगों ने सुना होगा कि dietitians भी अपने आप को nutritionist बोलते हैं, but सारे nutritionist qualified नहीं होते. Yes. Many people who have the knowledge of nutrition, they claim also that we are nutritionist. So it's not certain that that person is certified and qualified. Okay. Second, a dietitian not only provides you with the knowledge of nutrition, but she is taking care of your lifestyle and overall health. So a nutritionist is a person who may also be qualified and may not be qualified as well, and may also not be able to provide you certain diet charts or diet plans in case of any medical conditions. So these are the basic differences between a dietitian and a nutritionist. Both are same. The term is same, a dietitian and a nutritionist, but yet there is a difference.
Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you so much. And I think now with everybody, even if you still have more questions, Dr. Ruchi, last one. Okay, we've just last question.
Very short.
Yes.
Very short question. 10 seconds.
Okay.
Priyanka ma'am, I have a question. Like many times I've seen people claiming that you take almonds, walnuts, and different type of seeds, for example, pumpkin seed and many other seeds, and make a crush of that in mixie, and that becomes a very strong, you can say powder or maybe some kind of protein, homemade protein. Is that safe? Is that okay?
Yes.
Or is that sufficient?
Not exactly sufficient, but how much you're taking according to how much calories you should take. For example, अगर आप एक दिन की डाइट में 1 चम्मच ले रहे हो, 2 चम्मच ले रहे हो, वो आपकी कैलोरीज में फिट किया जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपकी अपनी मर्जी से एक दिन 1 चम्मच ले लिया, जिस दिन मन किया 2 चम्मच ले लिया। और क्या ये 1 या 2 चम्मच हमारे लिए इनफ है? दैट इज समथिंग जो आपको आपकी कैलोरीज बताती हैं। पर डे आप कितनी कैलोरीज ले रहे हो, उसी में से तो आप उसको डिवाइड करोगे ना। हाउ कैन यू जस्ट टेक 2 tablespoon ऑफ 1 tablespoon ऑफ दैट पाउडर एंड थिंक कि ये तो पोर्शन कंप्लीट हो गया मेरा प्रोटीन का, या मेरे एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स इसी में आ गए, या मेरा ये वाला विटामिन आ गया। ऐसा नहीं होता है। Okay, so that is according to your day's calories. Yes.
Thank you.
Perfect. So guys, just one more update before I know everybody is running short of time. Go Fitness Academy also is going to announce very soon this diploma course. So अभी तक जो हम बात कर रहे थे वो एक certification की कर रहे थे, which is also approved by NASM. But then we are also coming up with a diploma. Okay, that's going to be an international diploma course, which is going to be valid for the lifetime. All right, and to achieve that diploma, एक foundation होना, एक base बनाना बहुत जरूरी है. So anyone who is interested can actually make that base by doing this certification, जिनके बारे में आपको अभी प्रियंका ने पूरा डिटेल में बताया है कि कहाँ पर किस चीज की नॉलेज आपको मिलेगी. वो बेस है, वो फाउंडेशन है. उसके बाद ही आप एक अच्छा डिप्लोमा कोर्स करके अच्छे स्कोर्स ला सकते हैं. ऑलराइट, so yes, so we are going to come up with that very soon, so stay tuned for that. Otherwise, we also have the foundation course, which is the certificate in dietetics and nutrition course, which is going to start in the first week of April. We would really expect some of you to join in that and at least take that advantage. अपनी knowledge को आप enhance कर सकते हैं.
What is the fees?
All right.
Is there fees time?
I will send you the details. I will send you the details. Now, before we sign off, please, all of you can, कुछ लोग तो चले गए, but then I think everybody can come on the screen. We'll do our regular ritual. And we would also want your names to be, for the certificate also in the chat box. Thank you so much. Okay, just a second. Everybody ready? Nilofer, आप भी आ जाइए. Kinjal. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. I think it was great, Priyanka. Thank you so much to, enlighten us with so many things which are beyond. हम लोग को काफी सारी help मिली है इससे जान करके. At least I'm really hoping that everybody had a great time. Yeah. So,
Thank you.
Good work,
Thank you so
everybody.
much.
Thank you so much for your valuable time. आप लोग अपने नाम लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पर before you actually leave. So thank you so much. Have a great time.
Thank you so much, everyone.
See you soon.
Thank you, Neha ma'am. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks,
So much.
Priyanka.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I hope everybody's written down their names. Thank you, guys. You may leave. Thank you. Please carry on.
Oh,
Thank you. Thank you.
could you please provide your mail ID?
Yeah, writing it down here only. आप मुझे reach कर सकते हैं. I'll direct the.
Priya ma'am, could you please provide your mail ID? I had some questions.
Raj, you can send your email on this, and I'll reach out. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Note it down. Note it down. Thank you.
Control C.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, class is completed?
Yes.
Thank you,
You
ma'am.
may leave. Thank you. Have a good time.
Thank you.
Raj, you may leave too. Thank you so much.
everyone left.
हाँ, thank you. हो गया.
Finally.
हाँ, finally.
How
Okay.
was it, ma'am?
हाँ, it was nice. थोड़ा मेरा voice का problem आ रहा था, but then it was good. It was good.
What happened was कि मैंने अपना space shift कर लिया because वहाँ बहुत डल था. I checked it जब आपने start किया तो I shifted और मेरा laptop suddenly network ले गया इसलिए.
अच्छा.
Yes.
तभी मुझे वही लगा. मैंने कहा यार बिल्कुल ही गायब हो गई लड़की.
The moment आपने intro शुरू करी मेरा लैपटॉप ब्लैंक स्क्रीन है.
हो जाता है.
This is
I was like,
gone.
पहले मुझे था मैम शायद बोलेंगे, फिर उसके बाद मैम ने मैसेज किया मेरे को नहीं बोलना, तो मैंने कहा ओह देन आई हैव टू गो टॉकिंग. फिर कई बार क्या होता है बिकॉज व्हेन यू हैव पीपल ना तो सबका थोड़ा पोर्शन होता है वो बोल देते हैं. बट नाउ दैट व्हेन देयर इज नोबडी, अभी मैम बोल रहे हैं कि मैं नहीं बोलना चाहती, तो फिर मुझे लगता है ओह देन आई हैव टू डू हैप्पी. कुछ तो बोलना पड़ेगा ना लोगों को बिजी रखने के लिए, नहीं तो वो भूल
मैंने
जाते हैं कि
कैसे किया है. मेरी स्क्रीन ब्लैंक हो गई. मैंने भाभी को बोला, मैंने कहा भाभी मेरी स्क्रीन ब्लैंक हो गई है.